Hey guys, what's up? Here with the Reactor here today. And today I'm going to be reacting to Mario Goes to the Fridge to get a glass of milk. This is made by SMG4. If you don't know what that stands for, it stands for Super Meme Generator 4. It kinda also means like Super Mario Galaxy, but what do you know? I have not seen this video and I want to see what it's all about. So, let's see. SMG4. Go check out SMG4. I heard that his videos are so funny. Right, let's get started. Let's go. Glitch Productions. I know that was like normally made. The Amazing Digital Circus.
La la la. That was a lots of fun. Hey, I'm a thirsty. Oh no!
Oh, the fridge is empty.
Uh-oh. No more Milky.
I now know what I have to do.
Moving on the ground, moving on the ground.
You just said Alrighty. Joey. What up, homie?
Oh, howdy there, Mario. What's up? Hello. Eto, sono lavato, lo vedo. Yahoo!
Okay.
Oh, the milk section's right over there.
Oh.
Ha-ha! Yippee! That's a Sonaki!
Okay.
Woohoo!
What the heck? Toad? Oh, they're gonna fight. They're gonna fight for the milk. Oh no.
Guys, you dropped something. You might want to pick it. Okay, don't worry about it. No!
Oh, they're gonna shoot each other. Where did they get those guns? Especially Toad.
How you doing?
Oh!
Papi para totarbato tudo.
Is it worse than falling downstairs?
Drunk all my fucking milk, man. Give me my goddamn milk.
Oh!
Oh yeah. Go Ouija, go Ouija.
Oh, you realized Luigi. Oh! Uh-oh, you better run.
No, you don't.
I am lonely.
Oh my god, why does he look like a horse? Uh-oh.
Here we go. Gotcha. Go Ouija. Hey baby, you looking fine.
Ugly face. Oh, whoa! Oh! Are you sure they're not hurt? Are they hurt?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Hey Stinky, do you have any Milky? No. Mamma mia.
Oh, oh, I feel so bad.
Okay, brother.
Ow, is it okay?
Days, Mario style.
Mamma mia. Gigotti.
Just walk into any store, avoid security cameras, and just start taking things.
Wow! Mario! Mamma mia.
What?
What? Okay, they're at the Momo milk.
Okay.
Why would you be robbing?
All right, here we go. Mamma mia.
Those trees?
Yeah!
No! It's not a banana.
Mario's winner just got a little bit harder. Come here, fishy.
Uh-oh.
Drop your weapon! Drop your weapon now!
There goes Mario's phone. Mario! Oh. Tutto lavato, lo vedo. Whoa! Yippee! Wow! No!
Empty mouse. You won. Run!
Oh.
My You're right there!
Oh, hi, Luigi!
I choose you!
Oh. Now Luigi.
Oh, God!
Stand back! I'm warning ya!
Oh my.
You'll never take me alive!
Why does it sound like competition? This is kind of fun. I'm liking it so far. Oh, the fork man. Oh, crap. Jeez, chill.
Hi, guys!
I'm gonna write this in.
Bye!
Oh no!
Erase. How do I erase it? There we go. Uh-oh. Oh, he's about to shoot you. Okay, guess.
Okay.
Oh yeah! Hi, I'm gonna go to the battle. Chicochi.
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Oh yeah! Luigi. Hello! Tutto lavato, lo vedo.
That's not how cows work.
Hey, Stinky! Whoa! Mamma mia!
Holy shit! I'm gonna milk you so hard.
Bro, do not say that again.
Ah, crap! I'm gonna
I
go
hope
to
you
the battle.
get
Luigi.
arrested. Good.
Nintendo.
You should
Oh yeah!
be able to say I'm gonna milk you so hard. Alright.
Oh, let's go. No.
What do you
Okay. What?
It's the real
Mario.
Praise Jesus! You should face up to the consequences of your poor decision.
Okay, I wrote it. I keep writing stuff. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's bad. Oh, he's ready.
Why are you running?
Oh!
You're getting seven across the ass.
my god.
Say what?
Oh. Oh my god. That was a trident. Oh my god. He is dead. Milk. Milk comes. Alright. We're gonna knock it out. Oh, jeez.
And Luigi! Yoo-hoo!
Yeah, run.
Listen here, motherfucker! Boy, what's it gonna be?
Kids gone died in that
See ya.
Okay, bye-bye.
War never changes.
I feel it. Okay, Steve. Now they're at Mario's house. Oh, Luigi? Yeah. I'm scared.
Alrighty, let's go.
What the heck? Okay. That was a really good SMG4 video. That was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I will make more SMG4 reaction videos soon, and I will see you next time. Bye. Please subscribe.